A compact pet and boot wash station under an entry bench keeps mud and odors out of the house while hiding supplies for a neat, functional entry. Design a shallow tiled basin with a detachable hose that sits under the bench and drains to a floor trap. Set the basin slope to at least 1/4 inch per foot so water clears quickly, and use porcelain or glazed tile for stain resistance. Install a pull-out tray with an integrated grate and a gentle channel to a concealed drain so you can slide it out, rinse boots on the grate, and push it back without spills. Use stainless steel runners rated for heavy use and seal edges with a flexible waterproof caulk. Consider a foldaway puppy bath mounted inside an adjacent utility closet or behind a bench panel so it deploys vertically and locks in place. Choose a model with a quick connect hose coupling and a built-in spray head to control flow without bending. For towels, use a roller towel storage with a hidden dispenser under the bench so damp towels are contained and rotated out easily. Ensure the roller is removable for washing and place a small silica gel pouch nearby to limit mildew. A waterproof removable wash tray that nests in a cupboard works well for infrequent heavy cleaning and should be light enough to lift but rigid enough to keep water pooled to the drain outlet. Measure the cupboard opening first and choose a tray no deeper than 2 inches if you need to slide it in and out. Keep a small caddy with brushes, shampoo, and boot cleaner on a magnetic strip or recessed shelf so everything stays put when the tray is out, and so routine cleaning is a 5-minute task. Common issues are poor drainage that leaves standing water causing odors and bacteria growth. So make sure your drain outlet is at the lowest point and test with 2 liters of water to confirm flow, and add a vented trap to prevent slow drains. Another frequent problem is inadequate sealing, where water meets bench materials leading to rot or delamination, so use marine-grade silicone at all seams, choose water-resistant backer board, and allow full cure time before using the station. People also underestimate maintenance access, which turns simple tasks into major jobs. So design panels or a hinged bench seat for direct access. Pick removable components like trays and hoses that disconnect without tools, and schedule a quick rinse and inspection each week. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who do entry bench integrations and pet or boot wash installs, and helps contractors advertise their services directly to interested homeowners. We also host a discussion community where we share installation tips, product experiences, and before and after photos so our members can learn from real projects and ask practical questions.